here there is this two layered stage where we see the epiblast and hypoblast. Now this you are seeing in a section, but this whole thing is round actually. So there is epiblast like this, and below there is hypoblast. Now what happens is, in a embryo, at this end what happens, epiblast and hypoblast get stuck to each other. Stuck to each other very tightly. Rather at here they both get enlarged and get stuck to each other. So this is called as a prochordal plate. Now that defines the cranial end. That defines the cranial end of the the cranial end of the embryo. Similarly, here also they get stuck to each other. Why I am talking about getting stuck to each other, that means they will not allow mesoderm to go between each other. So that forms cloacal membrane. So this will form oral membrane or prochordal plate, and this round is cloacal membrane. What is going to happen at these 2 points? The epiblast and hypoblast, these two will stick to each other, not allow mesoderm in between. By this, our two ends are defined, the cranial end and caudal end. Now what starts happening here is, here there is proliferation, a classical proliferation of the cells of the epiblast. The epiblast enlarges. The epiblast enlarges. So this in midline, what you have seen, this line, this is the place where epiblast cells have enlarged. Enlarged, divided, not only enlarged, divided into multiple cells. So this is not a line, this is an elevation. Elevation caused by multiple divisions of epiblast cells. Now you cannot call it epiblast cells. These are actually now going to go, these cells are going to go between epiblast and hypoblast. So these lines, what you are seeing is, these cells are now going to go between the epiblast and hypoblast, except for two areas. What are they? Prochordal plate and cloacal. They are going all over. Now this is primitive streak. So what is primitive streak? Primitive streak is an area where epiblast cells have divided, and this has caused an elevation in the midline, and from these midlines now cells are going between the epiblast and hypoblast, except for these two areas. Now this primitive streak anterior, at its anterior end, again forms a node, which is called as primitive node. So this is primitive streak, and at the, I cannot say anterior, at the cranial end. Now this is cranial end. Cranial end there is primitive
streak.
Cranial end of primitive streak there is primitive node. Primitive
Node.
And in that primitive node, what happens is, now suppose this is the primitive node. In that node, the notochordal canal is formed. That notochordal canal and process is formed, and which proceeds forward. So what is this arrow? This arrow is formation of notochordal canal, which lies in the center. So first is cloacal membrane. Primitive streak, primitive node, and from primitive node towards the prochordal plate is notochordal
canal.
Notochord, actually, firstly a canal is formed, then that canal becomes solidified to form notochordal process. Again a canal is formed, it breaks down completely, again a cord is formed. आप बोलेंगे ऐसा क्यों? तो पहले canal is formed, then cord is formed, then broken broken and again notochord is formed. तो उसका प्रोसेस मैं आपको बताता हूँ. यहाँ पे here you can see notochord, right? Now notochord fusing with hypoblast, so much so that amniotic cavity is communicating with the yolk sac. अरे ऐसा क्यों? Why like this? Because the nutrition can pass now from yolk sac upwards. Therefore this canal, which is called as neuroenteric canal. What is the name of this canal?
Neuroenteric canal.
So this neuroenteric canal, what is the purpose? To provide nutrition from yolk sac, allowing it to leak into amniotic cavity. That is the purpose of the neuroenteric canal. And this neuroenteric canal, okay, then disappears again, and again a notochord is formed. What is the purpose of notochord? Purpose of notochord is purpose of notochord. Purpose of notochord क्या है? Purpose of notochord, it doesn't form any organ. Purpose of notochord is to form a axis, provide a axis for. एग्जाम में आपको पूछेंगे what is purpose of notochord? To form a axis, and along that axis the neural tube will develop, and along that neural tube the nervous system will develop. Notochord only remains as nucleus pulposus. Notochord doesn't form organ. Its remnant is there in the nucleus pulposus, but it provides the axis. Body first time gets an idea that okay, this is my midline axis. Now everything has to be developed around it. That idea is provided by the notochord. Okay, so that's the notochord. This is neuroenteric canal. The purpose of neuroenteric canal also I have told. Nourishment of the amniotic cavity, which escapes through it. Okay, so thank you so much.